Heavy traffic now 12 o'clock, 4 miles, westbound 4,000 feet, heavy 777.
12 o'clock, we got them in sight, United 28 Heavy.
United 28 Heavy, maintain visual separation. Turn left heading 310, join the 28 left localizer.
310 to join the localizer, United 28 Heavy.
United 28 Heavy, the airport 9, moving to 12 o'clock on the turn, 14 miles, report the airport in sight.
Airport in sight, United 28 Heavy.
Dynasty 004 Heavy, descend to maintain 4,000.
Descend maintain 4,000, Dynasty 004 Heavy.
United 28 Heavy, cleared, visual approach, runway 28 left.
Clear visual 28 left, United 28 Heavy.
Cleared. Dynasty 004 Heavy, turn left heading 310, join the 28 left localizer.
Turn left heading 310 to join localizer 28 left, Dynasty 004.
5 miles westbound, pairing with that traffic, then additional 787 caution lights are booked for them as well.
Roger. Delta 1588.
Delta 2233, descend to maintain 6,000, heavy jets 11 o'clock, 6 miles northbound, 6,000 for 28 left.
Descend maintain 6,000, southwest 2233 looking.
Delta 1588, turn right heading 190.
190, Delta 1588.
Approach United 643, 6,000, turning to 360 heading.
United 643, north-south approach, flighting 360, expect lower 5 miles.
Roger, United 643.
Plus 2233, heavy jets 11 o'clock, 8 miles northwestbound, 5,000.
Southwest 2233 looking.
Delta 1588, heavy jet traffic to follow, 12 o'clock, 6 miles westbound, 4,700 for 28 left. Do you have traffic in sight?
Insight, Delta 1588.
Delta 1588, maintain visual separation, turn right heading 270. Follow them, clear visual approach, runway 28 right.
Okay, 270 will follow them to 28 right, Delta 1588.
2,500 search on localizer clear as 28 left, Dynasty 004.
Dynasty 004 heavy, reduce to 170 now.
3170, Dynasty 004.
Cleared FMS bridge visual, runway 28 right approach, maintain 180 knots.
108 knots, cleared FMS visual, 28 right approach, southwest 2233.
Delta 1588, and the pair of heavies ahead is 12 o'clock, 6 miles westbound approaching the San Mateo Bridge, one at 1,800, the other one's at 2,600. Do you have them in sight?
Got both of them in sight, Delta 1588.
Delta 1588, maintain visual separation, 180 knots to the San Mateo Bridge, contact San Francisco Tower.
180 to the bridge, take the tower, Delta 1588.
Down 2997.
907, thanks.
Dynasty 004 heavy, traffic off your right does have you in sight, reduce now to 170 knots, contact San Francisco Tower 120.5.
Tower 120.5, we are tripping inside Dynasty 004.
United 643, turn right heading 010, maintain 3,000.
Right heading 030 and down to 3,000, United 643. 010 the heading and down to 3,000.
United 643, affirmative, 10 heading and 3,000.
Okay, Roger, United 643.
Super Tower, Dynasty 004 Heavy, RS-2A left.
Dynasty 004 Heavy, San Francisco, caution Lake Turbulence, we're following a heavy Dreamliner and a heavy 777 for the parallels in 2707, runway 28 left for the land.
Runway 28 left, clear to land, Dynasty 004.
Dynasty 004 Heavy, traffic 12 o'clock, a mile and a half, opposite direction, altitude indicates 1,100.
Just take inside Dynasty 004.
United 643, traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles westbound, 4,500, Boeing 737.
Okay, traffic's in sight, United 643, just inside the Dumbarton.
United 643, that's the one, maintain visual separation. There'll be Jason to you on final to the right side, you can expect the left.
Roger, United 643.
United 643, there's additional traffic, 10 o'clock and 5 miles westbound, 2,200 approaching the San Mateo Bridge, heading Boeing 777, caution 31.
Roger, in sight, United 643.
United 643, turn left in 310, follow the heavy traffic, clear visual approach, runway 28 left, maintain 160 knots.
Okay, 310 to join and clear the visual 28 left, 160 knots, United 643.
Dynasty 004, heavy traffic on tracking.
Roger, Dynasty 04.
Over 1588, 28 right.
Delta 1588, San Francisco Tower, caution wave turbulence, heavy 777 to head to your left, and there's two heavies that are short final, the wind 2707, runway 28 right, clear to land.
3 right, clear to land. Most everything in sight. Tower Southwest 2233, FMS bridge visual 28 right.
2233, San Francisco, the wind 2706, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Cleared land 28 right, Southwest 2233.
Dynasty 004 heavy, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Dynasty 004, tickets RA.
Dynasty 004 heavy, roger. Are you same time?
We are already going on Dynasty 04.
Okay, Dynasty 004 heavy, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Around heading, maintain 3000, Dynasty 04.
Dynasty Delta 1588, the traffic off about flowing around, caution wave turbulence.
Yeah, we got him, thank you.
Dynasty 004 heavy, turn left heading 260, maintain 3100.
Turn left heading 260, maintain 3100, Dynasty 04.
United 643 over the bridge for 28 left.
643, San Francisco, caution wave turbulence. The heavy 777 is in position, will depart, and the heavy 777 ahead of you went around the wind 2707, runway 28 left, clear land.
28 left, cleared land, United 643.
C004 heavy, contact north side depart, 135.1.
135.1, Dynasty 004, and confirm altitude 3100.
135.1, Dynasty 004 heavy.
135.1, Dynasty 004. Departure Dynasty 004, heading 260, then 3000.
Dynasty 004 heavy, knock out departures, roger, climb and maintain 5000.
Maintain 5000, Dynasty 004.